Um, line papers, guys. Divide these. When you're dividing, you shouldn't. The answer is 0.7, right? 0.7. I need to see the division work for this, okay? And get your answer. Make sure you do this on line paper. I know I'm showing this here on here, but make sure you get line paper. I'll show it to you on line paper. Do it on line paper, number it 1. Do it in line paper. I can't believe I have to repeat this. You guys are honors. I don't need to, but I think I have to. Number 2, you do, the answer would be 6 point something, because the 6 is a whole number, you see. It's 6.4 because 5 goes into 24 times, but, right, put a decimal, that's the point, and then 0, 4, right? And then number 3, divide, or you can just, it's 3 zeros. Show the work on line paper. You know that to move the decimal 1, 2, 3 places for 3 zeros. And then 7/2, you know how to divide that into a decimal and divide that into a decimal on line paper. Show all work, circle the answer. Okay, I'm not going to do the work or show you the answer here. Oh gosh, okay, order of operation. I shouldn't need to do this, you guys, really. Okay, but number 6. I'll tell you what to do, and then I need to see the work. Okay, you always do parentheses first, and inside the parentheses, in this case, you always divide before you multiply. So divide these two to get 3, add the 4, get 7, and then 7 squared is 49, right? The answer is 49. Here, always do the exponent first. Multiply 0.3 3 times, get your answer, and then add it to 5. Okay? Same here. Multiply this twice, and then 1.5 times 1.5. This is not, it's probably 2.25, and then subtract it from 3. Do exponent first, then divide. Okay? Showing you how to do this. 10 and 11 and 12, you just substitute in -2 and 5 in there. Okay, -2 times the 5, multiply that, and then square it. Leave it in parentheses. Same thing here, doing everything in this parentheses first, then square it. Then do exponent first, then add it. Okay, do inside the parentheses, then square it. After you do whatever you answer here, square it, and then whatever b is, subtract to that. Okay? Okay, then you should know how to distribute this. Should know how to distribute that. Okay, so you get 1/2 minus 1/2 times 3/8. You get 3/16. Subtract that, then subtract that. Oh, you can't because there's an h there. Okay, don't forget the h. Okay, this is different. Well, no, it isn't. This is different. This is something you need to know. And I need to explain it for those who don't watch the video. These are like terms. These are squared, but they're alike. Okay, they both have squares. You add them. You get 15x squared. And that's your answer. Okay, now these two are alike right here, so combine them. You get -10 RST, and there's nothing like this one, so it's just t squared. Okay. Number 18, name the property. Oh, this is identity property, because you are, this one you need identity. you wouldn't know this. Sorry. Hopefully people look for this. This is numbers that equal to 1, probably property of 1, right? I'm not sure what is property called when you multiply, when you divide a number by itself to get 1. I'll find out and I'll tell you in class tomorrow. I haven't taught this in years. Distributive property, right? That's distributive property. Now this one I started in class. We did -2, so now you need to put in 0 to find y. If x is 0, find y. So x is 0, y is 0. So x -2, y was -2, y was 4. Oh, this is squared, right? -2 squared. -2 squared is 4. 4 times -2 is -8. Okay. If x is 0, y then is 0. X is 3, y then is, put 3 in there. That's 9 squared. That's 9 times 2 is -18. If x is 3.5, I don't know offhand what's 3.5 squared. 3.5 times 3.5, 12.25. So subtract that from 10. We get a negative. So if it's 3.5, you get a -2.25. Okay, so the only difference is because they wrote it in sets. Okay, this is called sets with this. So you need to write your answer in sets also. -8, 0, -18. Oh, I was looking at this problem. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see. That's 9, that's -18, 3 squared. This is, I'm doing this problem. 5 squared times -2. So 3.5 squared times 2 is -24.5. Okay, so what I was saying, you would write it in sets. As an answer. Okay, that's what you do for them. And that's what you do for number 22, 23, and 23. You find the sets of them all. Okay, show all your work. I'm writing it like this just to give you the answer, and if I do all the work, it just takes up so much video time, and then it'll take forever to do. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in class. Okay. Oh, 3 is not one of them. It's just these 3 answers. I don't know why I put 3 in there, but these are the 3 answers. Not parentheses. Also, they write it in sets. Okay. So